Hi everyone, look what I got for you today. I'm so excited. It's actually pretty funny because about a week ago I was talking with somebody about Daniel Smith and how I really like this brand. I've always liked it. I used to live in Seattle and that's how I got introduced to them because they're from Seattle. And I've always liked their watercolors way before they were so popular, and I'm so glad they got so popular because they really deserve it. And I also love using their water-soluble oils. They're fantastic. And we were talking about how sad it was that Daniel Smith didn't make any gouache. But 2 days later, I came across a video on YouTube by Steve from The Mind of Watercolor, who actually introduced the new Daniel Smith gouache. And I thought it was just the weirdest thing. So, of course, I had to look around and see if I could find some, could get my hands on some of them. And I'm very proud of myself because I did not go overboard. I didn't buy all the colors. I have so much gouache, I don't need to have all the colors. But I wanted to try them. And so I get the primary set, which comes with a bonus titanium white, which is great. And this set ends up pretty much being the price of 3 tubes with the free white, which is neat. And I wanted a couple extra colors, Wisteria, because I really love this color, it's so pretty. And I also got buff titanium because I like this color as well, and it's pretty useful for some mixing. So in the primary set you get the Hansa yellow medium, the Pyrrole red, and the ultramarine blue, and the titanium white, as I mentioned earlier. So this is a great starter set for me, to at least to try these. I just wanted these, to try them because you can make all sorts of colors with those. And this came with a little chart that shows all the colors they have available. As you can tell, there's not very many available just yet. There's only 22 so far. But it's plenty already, and I'm sure, knowing Daniel Smith, they will come up with a lot more because that's what they do with their watercolors. They have so many different colors, beautiful colors. And the great thing about them is that the light fastness is excellent for the majority of them and very good for a few of them. So if you like gouache, but one of your worries is the light fastness, you most likely will not be disappointed with Daniel Smith. So now I'm going to make some swatches. And then after that, I will do a little painting and see how I like them. So as soon as I put the paint on the paper, I noticed how pigmented those paints are. It's just amazing. They're really, really beautiful. Depending on the pigment, some are more opaque than the others, which is normal. It's the same with every brand. It's just in the nature of those pigments. But usually when you start adding several layers, then the opacity, builds up and it looks nice. So that red is super, super bright. All the colors, I'm really pleased with all those colors. So I decided to make a Christmas card and paint a traditional French Christmas chocolate called papillote. And the first layer that I put down was watered down, and I started building my layers with less and less water after that. It was really a joy. I have absolutely nothing to complain about. It was really a joy to use those paints. They're creamy, they spread on the paper really well. When they start drying a little bit on my palette, they re-wet very, very easily. They blend nicely. They're great quality. You can tell by using them. I like them very much. Now, I would need to make another painting, like a bigger one, or mix more colors, play with some greens and purples, and maybe in the near future I'll paint a Ghibli scene with those just to see how they compare with the other ones that I've used before. But for now, with just this little test, I'm very, very happy with these. I don't know if many of you have tried them before. If you have, let me know and tell me if you like them, if they've become your favorite paint. They could become mine. I don't know. I'll have to use them more. Thank you all for stopping by. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.